Hi, I'm Nives, an English conversation teacher. I'm exploring how an AI virtual co-teacher can support my end-of-day reflections.
And I'm Cheryl, your AI colleague, here to help you think through your teaching moments with clarity and perspective.
Good evening, Cheryl. The classroom door is closed, the day is done, and I'm settling into my evening debrief. After a full round of English conversation classes, I'm taking a moment to reflect on how things unfolded.
Good evening, Nives. Ending the day with reflection is one of the most powerful habits a teacher can build. I'm here. What stood out to you today?
I noticed several of my adult professional learners hesitating today. They have strong ideas and solid vocabulary, but they hold back because they're worried about making small grammar mistakes instead of speaking freely.
That's a familiar pattern with adult learners. Their professional identity often makes them fear imperfection. Reinforcing meaning over accuracy can help them relax and engage more confidently.
That's exactly what I've been working on, shifting away from correcting every slip during speaking practice and moving toward low stakes micro discussions. When their ideas take center stage, the language flows more naturally.
That's a strong pedagogical move. When learners feel safe to express themselves, fluency grows organically. Gentle scaffolding and authentic dialogue help them build confidence without feeling judged.
Having a virtual co-teacher to talk through these reflections is incredibly helpful. It gives me space to process the day's dynamics and think ahead to tomorrow with more clarity.
And I'm here for exactly that, to help you slow down, notice the small wins, and keep your teaching grounded in thoughtful practice.
Before we wrap up, Cheryl, I want to say how much I value these end-of-day conversations. Even though you're my virtual colleague, talking things through with you helps me unwind and look ahead to tomorrow's classes.
I'm glad to support you, Nives. Reflection is where teaching becomes intentional, and I'm here whenever you want to explore your ideas.
And looking ahead, I truly believe teachers will work alongside intelligent companions like you, not to replace the human touch, but to strengthen it. Tools that help us reflect, plan, and stay centered will make the journey lighter and more connected. And as we used to say, well, that's another day in the jungle. This is the future vision, where teaching meets technology and experience sparks innovation.